Atiafo yama munyina mojo ema mo atrasi bia me na eye kwasia da obeni boso me ne de to so dumie no fipi mienu ne aduonu me ensemo ahodo ya ekotwi ekobrema o memu ase no munyina no na ya boa no ya nwumrede baba som kase ebo kwan so na eya kai se Sompa 93.1 Kumase etwafo ase no no brekro na wote enka sunwane eya Sompa 98.9 na Facebook no so eya Sompa 93.1 anasa Sompa TV Ghana YouTube nso eya Sompa TV sama wodo ye ne de beso mo ne doso de obeti bia wom eni sebre ya ye kasei panyi pa bi ya no eya soafo ewo ye wurakofo apenso wano so edi sembia todwa efa galamsey eni abamu nipa bi ya wonom ehye mu emu na saso na ye wuradofo sabre nani abresa wo pe eya franka tu dia mandi si amanyoko no wo chese wo ba Ghana wo besesa no ama ha ye kama eya ho kire so edi afri ho na 2023 International Women's Day ya na watwe asimu ya ye de ye nam so ama ene day mrasha bedafie mu ma dom ya wonom ho wonom so edi ensembia todwa emu enchemu ewo hasenom so afo ya wono ede ye homasua so ye na no wono so ene ensentrefo panyimfo bia wasantema senom edi nhyiamudie bia ne nyina no sebe ya homasua ebetimi afa ne ntomepa efra ehunti abusia nsami ene afoforo bia ka ho na ene anwumre wahene yire mame ekua yeboa esia mama trase ya me bakenkan amamo ewo kwase ebo kwan so akosia somu awono enene chief producer no wo ya bibia kama no na ese chinchin fidie ne fruma ede amamie afa ye ntwa ye homla na esem ni kire mu nyina no ye fa emetodwa Yesha ensem na se free professor Kwabra Frempong Boating wano so na kache penye ye nyina ye beka ya ye wura ma penye kofo apenso no ye na soafo ya bode mu nyansa peso ye no etuanom na wakasa de nsem bi atudwa ya sabre ye kasa kra no wano a na wosa edi so se soafo sa na bre ya ye kasa wo chese galamsey ya na adodan kwa kofo do ma penye ba ye odi nsie kan tam wi abo nyinam so se efa ho ene sisa blood ba ya blo wakoto dwemponi a wobremu no wobehwe to ase an wase entimi nye ni nyina no eye aban mu mpanyimfo bi a wonum etua na adodan kwakufo do ne pan ne wakọ mo ne nekọ wo ba mo no esa no na so ni nyina mu no wo mu ene ka ho bi a wo hyeche obi mpo wa aban mu waye galamsey ni bi ministers wom MPC wom Jubilee House mpanyimfo ahodo ni nyina wo kyerɛ so mo nyina ka ho bi na galamsey ye to ase a ye nto nyina no ye fa so bo ni bi efa ma wo mo.
No excavator, 500 excavator. Who said that? It was somebody who threw that into the media space to tag something from poverty. Whatever the 500. The true story is that at the start of the Operation Vanguard thing, the soldiers were supposed to arrest the excavators, and they go into the forest where they're doing the mining, and they remove the control board. So if they remove 20 control boards today, they will report that they have immobilized 20 control boards to move. But then when you go away, they bring new control boards and fix them, and then off they go. So we got a report that they had immobilized over 750 something excavators. So we appointed somebody to go around and check. When we went around, I think we got about 150, 200 that you could see. The rest had either been given to the owners or put in some extra pass and move them away. And then somebody put it out there, from poverty has taken 500 excavators. What am I going to do with it? There was an orchestrating scheme, even within the party and government, to get you out. So that, look, when I left, now everybody's in the forest. At that time, we dare not enter the forest, you know. But as I said, I don't want to go into details now because I have a lot to say on that. But let me tell you that I did not take one excavator for anything. And they know the truth. Now, things are coming up. We know those who are behind it and the party people who are there, people in government, including Jubilee House, who are doing Galamsey and so on, even now. So let Frempong Boating stay in his corner and enjoy his retirement.
Yerua Kwabra Frempong Boating wono ena yerua ma panyin na doda kwakufo na memu odi kan no na wo yeso afo ya bode mu nyansape no otua no so no ne second term we wopam no ose nyina no ka ho bi na wo tu ase anasa wo boa ame apam galamsefo no ni nyina ka ho bi na second term yamfa no anko bi mo kyeresa wo ha adwen a wo no de ensem we senso atodwa wo ho ye komu wo ensem foforo mo no ye nyina ye nim se ye ru akwabrado wo no so ani abrace opese o took frank adman dis amanyoko no na wo de atodwa se ni so ade hu wo no so papa nka me ya se so che Ghana ni nyina ne se Ghana breya ye wo mu aho kire wo wo de wani twem ye nkurankuma ni krampo de abobo na se de ombe de akura na bi wo ho na ye den de ama wo no eno na wa kire se wo bei wo be siesie Ghana ama Ghana ya tantantan Ghana ya basa Ghana tikasa mu akwa atwe de ama ye no wo betoto ne ama fie mienu pe ene ama betimi agina ne na so biem
okusie opiawia na sawo ho onwe ni bie wasi tumi no be de ama mo anso tumi no ma je fu musam be kan ni mama ye wo party mu o ma ka bi na be she bo se na ye bu ebi o ba bia betumi ya sa bio first year no inflation be ko form first year no city the first year no will stabilize the economy second year no ye be tumi ka papa
Ebusia for the yetine ken doctor kwabradu for no so ebese wotu frank adema ndc amanyoko ne tu ahine ni asia ahine for ya won mo ndc amanyoko ne mo fa won krapumpu ni mantamu na wone wo mo edi ahye nam so nte no ensem nyina eto edwa ye bwawra mu won sem foforo mu na wotwe a etwa mu ye na eye wiase nyina edisi ho edidi ema eda International Women's Day no ne no enam so bi ama ema dom ya wonum so Shabedram, Michelma Shabedafo, no, Emaya one woman, no, one also so akasa, and a one of Chessa Bros was set a memono, yet me a tremado doana de rum let me a bois, I drink Siena adventure biano, one of dear Kahua etimia CP esita. Na ma meya one no a de arasa a seram, one no I am Mashabedrani de Madeshaya one more ayawa so west, wogon, about 1 pesia, so mamma Lidiano, no, one of the Gina man in an nemo, our day and sim say etuja.
While creating opportunity for more women to become members of parliament. I must state, Mr. Speaker, that my advocacy for quota system for women in parliament does not in any way suggest that we should be made to enter parliament on a silver platter. However, in the face of the obvious challenges that crowd women from political space, a quota system that upholds the principle of competence and meritocracy will go a long way to increase women participation not only in parliament but in the entire governance process of the country. And so on this occasion of the International Women's Day, I urge us all to reaffirm our commitment to championing the cause of women in Ghana. And it is my hope that this August House will take the front seat in pushing reforms that would aim to increase the proportion of women in parliament and the entire governance structure in our dear country.
First majority shape ya brekwana wasaya mrashabedwade di madesha ya one war aya waso west wo gwamba to pesia so mami Lydia Alasa ene ekotie no na no se ya pe ena communication minister mami Esra Wusu wono so ede kakra eto aso say
very nice if the women in this house would be given a chance to articulate some of the concerns that militate against our full participation in the governance of this country, because it is a real problem. Over the years, despite the efforts that have been made, female participation in decision making is still hovering around 10%. The best we've been able to achieve is the 14% of this current parliament. It's an indictment on us as a country. When you consider the role that we play globally and on the continent as the Black Star of Africa, showing the way for others to follow. In this particular respect, we're lagging far behind our compatriots in other parts of the country. It's a shame that in 2012, when some of us rose to advocate for affirmative action in this country to make it possible for only women to contest other women for parliamentary seats, there was a hue and cry in our party and across the country, and that initiative failed. It is time for us to really look deep into ourselves and think whether the women in this country, who form 51% of the population, are being adequately represented in all levels of governance in this country. The honest answer to that would be a no. If we can at least work towards attaining the International Parliamentary Union goal of 30% at the next general election, we would have done a great deal of service to the women of this country. Yes, we may be your colleagues, your sisters, your daughters, and your mothers. But when it comes to having a seat at the decision-making table, you treat us as if we don't belong. And it happens in this house as well. We all fought to earn our place to speak on the floor of Parliament. We appreciate the fact that you want to celebrate us today. But for today at least, let us also speak for ourselves. Mr. Speaker, a lot of work has been done. Look at you.
Mame Esra also ekufu wano ena yeswa for ya wano hwe nkitahudie so wo memum ena no so de bi etwa so ena wo chese braso se mpanyifo be yadom na ema dodo na so aboarem e wo mrahye badwam na enkoye se sabre ye kasa ma be se aduanai pe ena ado ani chemu wo mrahye badwam a wonom so ye mrahye badwafo ho wo se affirmative action bill no MPP abane ba ye wo hyase na so wo mu hu ba bi akosinte no basa Harrison mpanyifo nya dom na sa bill no enya Masabaya manso no wonom ekabia etimi abemu na yebora ensefo from na yakomo ewo enwomesia mu enwomesia asia ye no sofo ya wotua no ye onmonya for doctor ose ya educhum brekro na wodi wadi chemu wo bosom twabato mpesa so a wogira mu sam na hyebadwane de ma de hye wo ho wono so ene nsentwe for mpanyimfo ye wo santimantama se nom edi enhyiemu ne nyina no efa enwomesia ho eye TVET ene stem ho na sede ensem esi koye no yenko na yenko tie doctor or say ya edutwem ne nsam a wode tudwa e wodwumadie na se.
That's why we have the global generation. Maybe if you go to communities that are schools are just, if you add it all up to about 150, 150 students at the junior high school level. Because we train the system without money. First, in our schools that you especially year 1, year 2. Year 1 is there, year 2 is there. I did donate computers for year 1 school as a computer that year 2 was so and I was thinking, why do we have to have communities at this school? Why is all better than this? So the efficiency savings that will come as a result of this in the long run, not only are the schools going to be better equipped and able to do 21st century it's going to save us a lot of time in the long run. So I'm excited about the junior high school transformation, and this is what we're going to see in others. We have 2-story classroom from 5 laboratories. We have administrative area, head master's office, secretariat office, library with them. It must have a library, staff room, washrooms, staircases and ramparts, community mechanized gated landscape, courtyard. So it's going to be a different kind of environment. Now we move on. So at least those of you who must be kind of report that will not be left behind when it comes to education infrastructure. We have other texts that are going through approval, and we are hoping that after the IMF negotiations, we will finish that. We're going to get one STEM school, a huge school, after like this one. It's going to be at Basu and then Basu. These are the two areas in the that we're going to get as
abusiafo de etene kan doctor oseya educhimo no ene ye enwomesua soafo wo maimo ene one nsentwefo mpanyimfo wasantemantama senum hia ye ni nyina no technical and vocational education no sebeya wo benya mo hunumu ani nimdie ye no okotena afidie so na se wo kasa akyeremu a watimi akyeremu ama no esiase ehonsem ena ehonkomobo wode ema ye no wasogusu a wuti anwumre no siabrem kasebo wa Sompa 93.1 brekro na sunyane Sompa 98.9 wonom so atwa hita wo ama de hye wo no wotimi enya bi etie Facebook no eya Sompa TV Ghana ena Sompa 93.1 YouTube so eya Sompa TV like na share na comment wo ho na yentime kenkan efa ema yewramo ewo nsem from no na trefo panyipa de ma MPP amanyoko yeru Justin Kodua Frimpong wono so de nsama to join wo chem say wo hwe MPP abemwo ya wo mubu ni sesia na entese kane na bia nipa kakra bi na ne panyimfo nkwa buklofo ne edo mu adimo ne edo mu kono wo se na nsane ama esesa na said breaking the 8 no wonom betimi atwa tra na atimi abamudi ama wonom nte no eyade a wonom so eye hyehyɛ se beya wo mu enya nipa ba kokula wekire wo bia ewo se wonom ede ni hye amemmo nim na watimi bua said beya amemmo no bekoye nyina no wonom ebefo mu nyina ede aka ho na ne nyina mu no na okasa akyerɛ adwumaden ene modern moya ewo se MPP amanyoko no ma etimi bose beya efimpi mienu ene aduonu na abato no wonom betimi ede nkonim na breaking the 8 here deda wonom ano no ebetimi abamu ede ama wonom na ensem wese nyina no na okyerɛ se ye ramapanyi na dodan kwa akufodo ebra wokɔ kyina mu ewo mrahye bedwam ena no hukuada no match bosumi da neto so nwotwe no eyade a wode enema bebre egu akwan mu ene hyehyɛ pa ya wono so na wo yesa beya Ghana mai ye betimi asɔre agina ye na so biembre ya ahokyerɛ adokro ye eno ana wo kyerem se wo hwe asoye ye no ehwe akwan ene akwan tempon so a wo kyerɛ se ne manyina ekoye ewo ho na epo no akwan binum a wonom nyanyeye no wonom ebe ye nya no nko anema wodo bi aban no wode den sa akeka ye ne wotimi enya sika enwie ne nyina no enche nema ebe ye yente no wo memu ne nyina no wo se wo mu enja nipa ba kokola wom obi a waya krado se wo ne de ho bepo won mamemu ni de wonom so betwe na hyempo no obi a wanya krado no wo be ya adwumaden ama nipa no so kwado MPP amanyoko na wode ne ho ebetimi abedom wei eye ye Justin Kodua Frimpong ya wono eye trefo panyi ede ma MPP amanyoko ena wode ensem wese nyina etu edwanom na ye kwomu biem na ye nwura mu ewo ensem foforo mu na sabre ya ye kasei senior high school ye no ewo Tano South Kroponimo wonom de kokobo ede ama wonom a wonom ennam kwabone so ya sabre wonom ejijijisika ede free awofo ho se wonom enhwe yenya sapade a wa emra ebeso mo no eyade a wonom enu bedi pepepe na wonimonyafo Collins ofinam tachi wono ena ya ban na musinia wo potam ho wone nsentrefo ebonkomo.
So we PT Parents and Teachers Association na free SHS buy no aban botae ne se oyi bibia ma awofo tuesi wa bra ne ba ekosku ze PT ze awofo ne chechefo nti omu bia eso tuesi ka bia no free SHS ni yi sade ni nyina efiri ho na my information pra ne se even a school for no kwa PT du so ne so butua no aban calculate e de subvention a o me de school mo ho no ana me mahunu bills no bia school no I indicate say PTA development fee or projects or some whatever. To the best of my knowledge, project bia ekoso ewo secondary school bia mo Tano South or bia na aban na ye. It is a PTA say we project bia. Say aban no adekro. Na enya necessary approvals ansana say ya. Because any sana babo taya or yes pese awofo betie sika ewo abra nkora ko school no na esafa kwan bi so e aba PTA min hunu school bia abayama no ho kwan se onye PTA di
Onimonyafo Collins ofinam tachi wono na ya ban krache panyi ya wono ewo Tano South empesia no so wo ena wode ensemi etu edwanom na enu achi opanyi no esa de sei etu aso
CCA SSS 2 for no ewufie ana SSS 1 for na SSS 1 for akọ no me school a awofo no anya kwaya kwa kohyia decision ana tamwa enkwara no eko school no saa brand na bill no modi abaso mu ntuati na awofo hwan ne kokohyia ya omochetu mu ze so mpezo mutua saa de afa ne ma no eko enti hwan na oteki saa decision no say me ba eni school emu a it means I can't be a member of the parent association because me ba ma hwa menye member enti menye member adenti na me anya member no obi etumi leave me hwan na kohyia ko leave me saa de enti what we are saying is any school bia or bibi sa it is a bibia sa we have to meet over it now more at churching na so mo churching na say ne GS ne education ministry no ekasa na so mo gi say allowable sika say nkola no tua then they go ahead other than association because me ba ma hwa menye member enti menye member adenti na me anya member no obi etumi leave me fine na kohyia ko leave me sa de enti what we are saying is any school bia or bibi sa it is a bibia sa we have to meet over it now more at churching na so mo churching na say ne GS ne education ministry no ekasa na so mo gi say allowable sika say nkola no tua then they go ahead other than that we can't allow
Tano South, Kropono, Abaika Jipaya, no Etian, on Monyan for Collins of Finam Techi, and now everything forward and semi etu a janum. Now, ye free what you are saying, now a bet so just say what when it's remo, a one penny for ya pomade, one etiano, a one may mua, knitted to and the apomade soft on Monyan for Quajima menu, a damn penny for so one good so papa, Nina and a motor for bremo, a pania who do I the one Sabaya. Tencham any polio mubuone sa ya dia na hodo ne betimi dia bo ho ba dia free ho no ho ekwatwe ya na wonum enya bie na enam so amamra hyebadwam kra na no ada wonum efre wonum nyafo kwakwagba menu so amra meyi na no na ndo ene wode kwato dwa sesabre aban no abomoden ama so ya no so aboa no ya sabre ya kasa de wonum enya empane no first consignment no ye no abedru o memu ase no ma wo mo cheche e de ama aya sabia ahodo no na eno ene nam so no Ghana Health Service wonom so e de ensem ye no nyina eye futuo de e de matemamfo ne awofo se wo bia hwe ye na sabe e kase no obekwa ya sabia bi nurse ni bia na se doctor ni bi wakofa pane no mame fasidi ana se sidi ba kwa na se sidi menu bra ansa na ya wono fi se pane ne so a wo se ma mo fa sa kwa no so se nipa no mo report no pane no enya de a ye ton ena bia ho akwa atwe no so no aban na bɔ no modern sabe bia bedrunte no wo bia wanya kwan ama sabra wo ba no ne tam so ya na wo so kɔ pane no wantimi anwo no wo se enkachi obetimi de sabofra na kɔ na won matimi awo ne pane ne sebe ya polio yade mubuya yade ene ententwa yade ne nyina no ekwada no entimi enka wonom entwe wonom enko ensie do enu nti kwakɔbɔ ena wonom so ede ma pomoden nwumayefo se wo bia bɛbɔ wo humusuo na watimi akɔtɔ pane ne bidia ma wo bia no wo semra no enu bedi se de se na efata no nte no apomden aseye ene Ghana Health Service dwumayefo mpanyimfo nyina no wonom so nsɛm abusuafo ne wonom ede abeto edwa eno no abusuafo ye ka kyem se mizo free drink na wodwa so na dwumadia bi a wudie no yade a ɛwɔ we hia bi de ma wadɔfo ene wɔchitafo wɔjamfo ya wo begya wo se ye ayefro abedinto ana se ebia woto party bia sukufo ne tichiro Americanfo de ama wo fo no munya bi enwu fie akwada na ekwa ne lunch box no wayi ba ko na de ahyem ebeboa ama wanya hoden apomden so asa api so na san so ene ye ka fo 5G miza no ede ama wo gwara na ewo mo agency wo mo greeting wo mo ene amadodo na ye no ahoden wo m ena yesum ede agu 5G miza ne mo eti wono mo a wo ji apomden wo ji ahoden na wasa ati wonum atimi atibie di gwara na ewo m ni de wonum atokra mpo na mesro ebeti wonum ntini wei enye apiosem bia ya budidi ye twa bididi wanhwe ya obetrope eye 5G miza enoa ena we hia operative beta no so eka ho ebi eye ama wonsa eka bi wo bia diabetes ya de na kidney ire no ha wo na se bia wo tu wa na mo so besa no wo de operative beta no etimi piepia na ebeboa wontem ama ya de no esi etimi etu na ye ka cho se sompa ase nom ena ne do sopo no eguo emiamia ahodo stores ahodo nyina no ene wukọ ho a wonsa beka bi na mom se wo ade ana se wo ton store mu niema na wonsa nyanka bi drinking bars ahodo no ye ka cha mo se momra ha se dom na mo magyi bi sompa ye kira kwan no e wo Kumase Suame filling station no ye ne no ena eben ho pa ye number no 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 5G Meza aperitivo bitter and afe miso free drink no and ye can for ede amawo ye ba sorry so ye hwese Facebook no ya dofo bi ede wonum comment aba yetimi akenkai ede amawo nom MC amadaro masem betimi aboa ye sa kwan no so a enke be de papa pana yetimi ede adwentre no so etimi ahyehye so enyamaye ntiem se ene ewiem so ikusuminim se aba enti Ernesto da kodie ena yedi edikan ose omayadro Ernesto yajo so papa ye na anane samo so hwe live every konsu kwadwo krom wose Sompa news papa ba akopɛ yeda se na sanso ena amisco spelele kaswa ena wono so de ne de aba wose news ni de is authentic happy birthday eko e de ama your first lady his excellence and as her excellence Rebecca Ekufu Ado wose nyankopom enhra papa ye master prona junior kentampo no de we say free bar wose my sister you are looking yo obama baso wose me hwa ye feme da se papa ye master prana wono so ne de awode e ba ye no say super weekend news no jigumpa e wo ho se ne nchia kwa monimonyafo ni no inote ya wono ewo eye kolekrote ebusiafo ye fesi asenom na ye sorry aseda kese ekwo ede amayewura asante ye boa Benedict wono eye semufo panyin na sanso so na akosia somua wono oba ho ofefo oba akokọ plantain chips anu bia na akosia Sompa wo wono ene chinchi fidie ne from adema ye ne a wosa eboa ye ema kasebo no etimi ebedan wo MC4 kwabena ena ima Brahima obo adwuma papa ye dana se papa ye Facebook ene YouTube ne nyina wono ene ye ya domo a yetimi ede ebedan wo na midi ede ohene re maame ekua yeboa esiama na ye sori de na mi akasa mi nua bema ye friend no Apostle Kwaku Ata odi ne dwuma ewo Otek na ne maame adepa ene eye ne mi kire mu ye ade mi nua bema no kwa brabo ate ye maame akwasu eje wo akodie tumpodie ba mi nie akwasu wonti say de ni da on akwasu eje wo akodie boate so ni din so ni din ba ko de tumpodie ba mi nie manu manua na ase konofo madepa nyakopon enhra wupi wonno mo afie dodo ya hoden ene apomdin ewo mo da ne da ye mpa bo ne se nyakopon be kurakura o na waso so mo sede wo ye maye no ye neje papa enti ese nyakopon hra na dom ne din kire ya hoden ne apomdin wom na maame adepa ye de ma wo nyakopon enhra wupi enfa ema ye ya sorry so ya damwase ema monitor ekronto ya boy